How do I make current measurements using the Fluke iFlex system? We're all familiar with how to make current measurements using your regular clamp meter. Simply set the dial to measure AC current, place it around your conductors, and you clearly see your deflection on the screen. Right now we're reading 6 amps. There's going to be plenty of times when you can't access a current bundle. Maybe the conductors are too large, or perhaps they're too close to an enclosure to gain easy access and take the measurement. That's when the iFlex comes into play. Simply loop the iFlex around your conductors, and now you change the deflection on your dial to read through your iFlex, and you're reading your current through the iFlex as opposed to the molded case. An additional benefit, sometimes you're not going to have enough current flow to deflect on the meter screen. You can actually take the iFlex, loop it through your conductors several times, and you have the benefit of creating additional deflection and be able to read on your current much more accurately. The iFlex from Fluke, very versatile, very easy to use.